Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Thank you. Thank you. In today's video, we are going to be doing a length check. We're going to be checking my hair length purely because I know that some of you guys really enjoy these and you like to know what's happening, where the growth is and things like that. I'm not particularly a big fan, or it doesn't really bother me, but I know some people like to know this type of information, so this is for you guys. So we'll get straight into the video. In the last length check that I did was at the beginning of the year, I think. So we're comparing now, which is October, to whenever the other month is. We'll figure that out when we get to editing. So we'll start off with the back of the head. Those of you who are OG members, you know about this ruler, my brother's ruler. Maybe someday we'll, get some budget to buy a new ruler. Okay, so we'll start off with the back of the head. So my hair has been in twists for the past 2 weeks. And I just took it out today so that we can film this video. And as you can see, there's some gumbezes and things in there. Yeah. Okay, so this is what my side of my head is currently looking like. So we're gonna do the back section of my hair. And we've got a bit of a knot happening here. If there's anything telling you that your hair has not been cared for, it's this. So my hair is long overdue for a chop, and you can tell by this exact thing. My hair is showing me out, it is embarrassing me. Okay. Patience is always a winner. Right, so this is the back of my head. I know it's ridiculous. I'm just going to brush it out. It's already a little bit down, so that's why I'm not really spraying it like that, but I'm just going to brush out the ends. But you can always spritz it with a little bit more water if you think it's not. Okay. So I've got my ruler here, and I'm going to twist it around. So this is where my hair begins. So we're looking at about, it's over 30 centimeters now. So it's looking like 30.2. So 32 centimeters is what the back of my head is. And we'll do the other side as well. And it's perfectly normal for different sides of your head to be different lengths. You know, you sleep more on one side gets a little bit more wear and tear. You're more gentle with the side that you're, dominant in. So that's completely normal. Exhibit A here is the fact that this side is grossly shorter. So this side is looking like it's 29 centimeters. So there's about a 3 centimeter difference. 29, 32. Then we're going to do the sides. here. And here. Give it a little spritz. I don't know how some people find this. They don't like it. I find it quite refreshing. A little refreshing twist. But I'm not gonna name any names. Okay. So we are at, can't really see, 22 centimeters. 22 centimeters on this side. And on this side, we have 27 centimeters. So this side is a lot shorter than this side. Let me see which. I actually sleep on this side, so maybe that's what's contributing to that. I don't know, but this side is significantly all round shorter. Then let's do the center of my hair. I'm going to take 2 portions, and this is the just at the crown of my head. So for those who don't know what the crown is, it's this area before it gets to the flat section. So that sort of ridge, that mountain area, that slope, that is the crown. And I'm going to measure that. And I'll do make the styling challenge for this one. Okay. It looks like, I can't really see, let me come closer. Okay, so it looks about 25 centimeters here. That's the center of my head, 25 centimeters. I'm pretty sure the last time we did this, it was a 25 centimeters, so. Okay, I don't know how I feel about that. Then we'll do here, the middle. That's straight in the middle. Okay. So this is like looking like 24 and a half. Let's round up. 25 centimeters. So 25, 25. Very interesting. So that is currently my hair. It doesn't look like it's grown, but based on the numbers, it does seem like it is actually grown. While I've sort of been doing nothing with it during lockdown other than twisting it, untwisting, and oiling it, and the most minimal care ever, honestly. So yeah, that is currently my hair and the length that it is. So for those of you who like length checks, I hope you have enjoyed, and this will be a great segue into more natural hair content, and we can see whether my hair grows and things like that while we're trying out different things. So comment down below your thoughts and like if you like the video. If you are like me and you've had one style all locked down with your one protective style, whether it be braid out, twist out, whatever it is, comment down below your thoughts, because I know lockdown has been hard on most of us, and quarantine and all this happening with COVID and dealing with your hair is just one of those things that most of us are just like, So comment down below what style you've been having this lockdown, because you shouldn't be having braids unless you know how to braid your own hair. Then you're doing some dodgy business. So I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah.